Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
Even now, still in 2025, the world is obsessed with one thing: health. But what's really working? What's just hype? Because if you've noticed, the rules of weight loss and nutrition have completely changed. No more starving yourself, no more endless cardio, no more guilt. Today, science, technology, and even your gut bacteria are teaming up to reinvent the way we eat, and millions of people are already seeing results. So stay right here, because in this video, we're breaking down the 7 biggest diet and nutrition trends still taking over 2025. The ones transforming not only bodies, but entire mindsets about food and health. Some of these trends are wild, some are deeply inspiring, and one of them might change the way you eat forever. Let's dive in. If 2020 was the year of keto and 2023 was the year of Ozempic, then 2025 is still the year of protein, but not the old school kind. Forget dry chicken breasts and chalky shakes. We're in the era of smart protein, clean, hybrid, and sustainable. New formulations are blending pea, rice, and faba bean protein to create a perfect amino acid balance, while lab-optimized proteins mimic animal protein without the guilt, hormones, or digestive issues. Even the snack aisle looks different now. Protein chips, collagen lattes, and high-protein ice creams are everywhere, but they're not just about indulgence anymore. What's really trending in 2025 is precision. Wearables and AI apps are now analyzing sleep, workouts, and metabolism to recommend your exact daily protein needs. Not too much, not too little. It's a total shift from the eat more protein era to a smarter, data-driven approach. Protein has officially gone intelligent, and it's no longer about bulking up. It's about fueling your metabolism with accuracy. And speaking of accuracy, what if your meal plan actually knew your body better than you do? That's not science fiction anymore. It's personalized nutrition. Thanks to DNA kits and AI-powered apps, your phone can now decode how your body responds to food based on your genes, your gut bacteria, and even your sleep patterns. Platforms like Zoe, Nutrigenomics, and Inside Tracker are booming because they use real biological data to build totally customized eating plans. 2 people can eat the exact same meal, yet their blood sugar and fat responses can be completely different. That's why 2025's biggest mantra is one size fits none. This new movement is all about decoding your body's language, learning which foods energize you, which ones trigger inflammation, and which make you thrive. Nutrition isn't about guessing anymore. It's personalized precision, and it's putting control back in your hands one bite at a time. You've probably heard the word inflammation before, but in 2025, it's not just a buzzword. It's the real villain of modern health. Researchers are uncovering how chronic inflammation silently sabotages weight loss, mood, and energy levels. So this year's top nutrition shift isn't about restriction, it's about restoration. Instead of counting calories, more people are focusing on anti-inflammatory powerhouses like salmon, olive oil, blueberries, leafy greens, turmeric, and ginger. Even dark chocolate and coffee are back on the approved list as long as they're pure and minimally processed. The new mindset is simple. People aren't cutting calories anymore, they're cutting toxins. And the results are powerful. When inflammation drops, your body often releases stored fat naturally because it finally feels safe again. It's not lose weight to get healthy, but get healthy to lose weight. In other words, stop fighting your body, heal it, and it will do the rest. Remember when fasting meant 16 hours of misery and black coffee? Forget that. 2025 has completely reinvented the trend into something called smart fasting, a more flexible, intuitive version guided by data instead of discipline. People are using wearable trackers and glucose sensors to adjust their fasting windows based on personal rhythms like stress levels, workouts, or menstrual cycles. The most popular version right now is circadian fasting, eating during daylight hours and resting at night. It's simple, sustainable, and aligned with your natural biology. Studies even show that moderate patterns like 12-12 or 14-10 can improve metabolism without the burnout or binging that came with old-school fasting. In 2025, fasting isn't about skipping meals. It's about syncing with your body clock. Eat smarter, not stricter. And if there's one trend that refuses to fade, it's gut health. Even now in 2025, it's dominating Google searches, and for good reason. Your gut isn't just about digestion, it's your command center for immunity, hormones, cravings, and even your emotions. Your microbiome literally helps decide whether you burn fat or store it. So instead of cutting calories, more people are focusing on feeding their microbiome. Fermented foods like kefir, kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut are making a major comeback, along with fiber-rich prebiotics and the new buzzword of the year, postbiotics. Postbiotics are the beneficial compounds your gut bacteria produce after digesting fiber, and they're proving to have real fat-burning and anti-inflammatory benefits. Some people are even using microbiome testing kits to see which bacteria dominate their system and then adjusting their diet to restore balance. Because in 2025, gut healing is the new fat-burning hack. Fix your gut, and the rest follows naturally. After years of diet chaos, one of the biggest quiet revolutions of this year is mindful eating. It's not about what's on your plate, it's about how you eat it. In an age of distraction, people are rediscovering the power of slowing down, taking a breath, chewing, actually tasting their food. Because when you eat with awareness, your brain finally catches up with your stomach. You feel satisfied sooner, and overeating becomes a thing of the past. Apps like Headspace and Calm now include guided eating meditations that help users reconnect with hunger and fullness cues. And it works. Harvard researchers found that just 15 minutes of mindful eating per day can dramatically reduce stress-related snacking and late-night cravings. In 2025, the next big diet secret isn't in your macros, it's in your mindfulness. You don't need another restriction. You need reconnection. Finally, we arrive at one of the most inspiring trends still taking over 2025, longevity nutrition. People aren't chasing six-packs anymore. They're chasing vitality. They're chasing years of quality life. The blue zones, the regions of the world where people live past 100, have become the ultimate source of inspiration. These communities eat mostly plant-based diets with whole grains, olive oil, legumes, and nuts. But here's the real secret. It's not just the food. It's the lifestyle. Longevity eating celebrates slow meals, gratitude, movement, and community. It values friendship, laughter, and purpose as much as it values nutrients. Because science now proves what wisdom has always known. Joy, connection, and emotional balance can extend your life just as much as the perfect smoothie. So yes, eating for longevity might mean swapping fast food for fresh meals, but it also means slowing down, sharing them with people you love, and savoring the moment. It's not about restriction, it's about appreciation. It's about living, not just surviving. So there you have it, the 7 biggest diet and nutrition trends still taking over 2025. From smart proteins to gut healing, from fasting to mindfulness, one thing is crystal clear. We're finally moving beyond the era of punishment and into an age of partnership with our bodies. Health is no longer about fighting ourselves. It's about understanding ourselves. Real wellness isn't found in extremes. It's found in awareness. It's found in the balance between science and intuition, between data and soul. If you made it this far, tell me in the comments, which of these 7 trends are you most curious to try? Is it the anti-inflammatory reset, the gut healing journey, or maybe the mindful eating experiment? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that little bell, because next week we're revealing the 5 foods secretly accelerating aging and what to eat instead. Until then, eat smart, stay kind to yourself, and keep choosing health. This is Health and Wellness for All. See you in the next one.
Hi. Before you go, don't forget to grab your free ebook packed with simple, science-based wellness tips that really work. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and click the link below. Stay healthy. See you soon.